In this lesson, we will learn how we can generate tables using ChatGPT. So we can easily create a table with the rows and columns with the ChatGPT. But with the free version, you cannot include the latest data. With Copilot, you can easily create a table with the current data, because for the free version itself, Copilot provides such a feature to get the current affairs and the latest updates. So let us see how we can create it on ChatGPT. We clicked on the new chat under ChatGPT, and here I'll type, let's say, create a table with 3 columns. I'll also mention the column names and 10 rows, let's say. Okay, it will create for us. Okay, it created for us. We can copy from here. Okay, now I'll just paste, and here it is. We copied and pasted it. We can do the changes here. Okay, obviously for the free version, it is not connected to the latest update, the internet, so it will give previous results, but I'll just show you how. Make a table of the top 5 cricketers in the world in the ODI format. Okay, include points. Now whatever result it will show, it won't be updated according to 2024, but when you'll use the same query, same prompt on Copilot, even the free version would connect to the internet and give you the exact result. Here, let's see what will happen. Okay, so it has created and also included points. Okay, so this is not the latest data, but it has created the actual table. You can copy the code from here. Okay, now we can also change this format. Let's say display the fields in the order of player, country, rank, points. Okay, now it has updated the table accordingly. So you can easily create tables and order them. Okay, but for the free ChatGPT version, never expect it to be accurate, because this is not according to 2024. But when you will use the same queries on Copilot free version, you will get the exact result, because even the free version of Copilot is connected to the internet. So in this way, guys, we can easily create a table using ChatGPT. We can also rename the chat history. Click on the 3 dots and rename. So I'll write generate tables. For this, I'll write create a blog post, create an article. Here, create a blog post. Okay, and the following, write professional emails with ChatGPT. This looks fine now. We have arranged. Thank you for watching the video.